Seems like everybody's got a price. I wonder how to sleep at night. Everybody look to the left. can feel. Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I need you now? Please not that fast. Tonight go crazy. All you gotta do is just meet me at the Come give me something I can feel. Come give me something I can feel. Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I need you now? See tomorrow, but tonight go crazy. All you gotta do is just meet me at the Come give me something I can feel. Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I need you now? See tomorrow, but tonight go crazy. All you gotta do is just meet me at the Come give me something I can feel. Something I can feel. Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I need you now? See tomorrow, but tonight go crazy. All you gotta do is just meet me at the Something I can feel. Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I need you now? See tomorrow, but tonight go crazy. All you gotta do is just meet me at the Something I can feel. Don't you want me like I want you, Something I can
Have you kissed already? 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 Have you kissed already?
Want to sell gold in Dubai? With Mint Jewels, Sell your gold at the highest market rates. Receive the highest price for your gold and trust our experts for a fair gold selling experience. Visit our website now for more details.
Not guilty, nahirapan mag-move on.
Ay! Wait, masunod!
Gano'n na?
Kay Ruro! O sige, first love ko eh.
Okay. Not guilty, nahirapan mag-move on. Kay Ruro.
Ay! Wait, masunod!
Gano'n na?
Kay Ruro! O sige, first love ko eh.
Okay. Not guilty, nahirapan mag-move on. Kay Ruro.
Ay! Wait, masunod! Go! Yes, girl!
Ready na, girl.
First love, girl! Okay, parang mag-trip na tayo. Go!
Teacher, ano po sa Arabic yung matuto ka rumispeto sa tao? Okay, iksiyan lang natin sa Arabic. In Arabic, ta'addab ma'an nas. Ta'addab ma'an nas. Lastly, ta'addab ma'an nas. Ibig sabihin nun, matuto ka rumispeto sa mga tao. Assalamualaikum. Teacher, ano po sa Arabic yung matuto ka rumispeto sa tao? Okay, iksiyan lang natin sa Arabic. In Arabic, ta'addab ma'an nas. Ta'addab ma'an nas. Lastly, ta'addab ma'an nas. Ibig sabihin nun, matuto ka rumispeto sa mga tao. Assalamualaikum. Teacher, ano po sa Arabic yung matuto?
Hi, I'm Mr. Reden Hernandez Panya.
এই ভিডিওটা দেখেন, আসলে আল্লাহ তাআলা যা করেন ভালোর জন্যই করেন আমাদের। দেখেন, তারা বিকলাঙ্গ থাকার পরেও তাদের অবস্থা দেখেন, যদি তাদের পা থাকতো তাদের অবস্থা কি হতো এবার ভাবুন তো। এই ভিডিওটা দেখেন, আসলে আল্লাহ তাআলা
Hoy, te, di ba mahal yung ice coffee na yan? Magkano bili mo dyan? Anong te? 150? 150 ang mahal naman yan. Te, magkano ba allowance mo? 200 per week. Te, man, te, parang wala ka na agad ba? Talagang te, coffee is life. Hoy, te, di ba mahal yung ice coffee na yan? Magkano bili mo dyan? Suspect! Sabi ayaw mo na daw mag-last time, pero unang umamin. Suspect! Lagi, yun, minsan kapag Suspect! Sabi ayaw mo na daw mag-last time, pero unang umamin. Suspect! Lagi, kapag
Happy New Year!
Xuân sắp sang đến nhà, thảo mai đang trôi ngoài sân. Đêm 30 gặp nhau đây nhé. Tết ơi Tết à, bánh trưng xanh gói trong bếp nhà. Và anh đang đun mùi thơm, hẹn em qua gọi trong một hôm.
I started my stock market investment for just...
Anak, pag hindi ka nakapasa ngayon, kalimutan mong nanay mo ko, ha? Opo. O anak, kumusta ang exam? Sino po kayo? Anak, pag hindi ka nakapasa ngayon, kalimutan mong nanay mo ko, ha? Opo. O anak, kumusta ang exam? Sino po kayo?
Ito 500 para sa educational plan ng anak natin. Tapos itong isa pang 500 sa mga gastusin dito sa bahay. Tapos itong 1,000 sa amortization ng bahay natin. Sis, kasama ako mamaya sa kape.
Talaga? Bakit ba wala kang pera?
Oo, may unexpected blessing. Wait lang. Text niyo ko saan kayo. Ito 500 para sa educational plan ng anak natin. Tapos itong isa pang 500 sa mga gastusin dito sa bahay. Tapos itong 1,000 sa amortization ng bahay natin. Sis, kasama ako mamaya sa kape.
Talaga? Bakit ba wala kang pera?
Oo, may unexpected blessing. Wait lang. Text niyo ko saan kayo. Ito 500 para sa educational plan ng anak natin.
girl would apply gold powder all over her body every day to maintain her skin, just because she was the daughter of the world's richest man. 10 years later, she hid her identity and married a poor boy, pretending to be poor just to test her husband's loyalty. Unexpectedly, her husband immediately cheated on her with a rich woman, so the girl angrily revealed her identity.
I'm the daughter of the richest man in the United States.
How ridiculous. An ugly duckling working at a restaurant.
I asked my assistant to help your company.
It is me who helped Carson. Don't take my credit.
Isabella, look at you. Don't be silly.
At least I'll never be a homewrecker.
You are nothing compared to her.
If we weren't together, she wouldn't even know my name.
Sarah, will you be a partner at the charity banquet? Here's $1 million. Sign the contract and you get it.
Think about it, Isabella.
You can't make this much for your entire life.
Don't cry, Isabella. You deserve better. Hope you don't regret this. As for the money, I don't need it. Hey, you want to get married?
I only want a contract marriage partner. And your husband seems like he's in a lot of trouble.
Forget about it. I don't need your money. I'll do it for free.
Deal. Wait. Gotta get you divorced first. Hey, you! Come here. I think I can help you out. Isabella, I know the divorce hit you hard. Hiring a crawl. Excuse me, I am the wealthiest man in New York.
I'm sorry. Are you Ryan Jacobs?
I am.
Oh, perfect match. Freaks.
What a big name you've made for yourself. I see. But since none of us have seen Mr. Jacobs, you can say whatever you want.
Anyway, we'll see Ryan at the charity banquet tonight. That'll show who you are. Oh, and aren't you getting a divorce? Come on, Carson. Divorce now. Well, looks like the freaks must rely on each other from now on.
I can't wait to see your face at the charity party when you realize who I really am. Your chances. Don't contact me anymore. Now my ex.
I have loved and supported him in secret for 3 years.
And yet he divorces you on your anniversary.
Well, it's our anniversary now. Anyway, don't worry about the charity banquet. You can attend as my date, and you don't have to pretend to be the real Ryan Jacobs.
I am Ryan Jacobs. But as for you, we're gonna have to...
I don't need a fake identity. David, remember the gifts that I asked you to prepare for Carson? No, not to him. Deliver them to the Jacobs banquet tonight. They're for Ryan Jacobs' grandmother. Thank you. Hello, husband.
Hi, Isabella. I'm stuck in some traffic. I'm gonna need a few minutes.
It's okay. You don't have to pick me up. I can make my way there.
But you don't have an invitation.
I don't need one. As for you, you can tell them that you're accompanying me.
But my family's throwing the party. Hello, wifey?
He's still pretending to be Ryan Jacobs.
She's still pretending to be Miss Moore?
Excuse me, Miss Moore. I'm wondering if it's okay that you can take me to the Jacobs gathering.
Wade, you're one of the wealthiest men in the city.
I know, but I'm still nothing. I wish I could make a breakthrough.
All right. Come with me.
May I see your invitation?
I don't have one.
I'm afraid I can't let you in.
What do you mean you can't let us in?
Let's not make a scene. We're very busy today. Hold on a second. Mr. Burnwood?
Yes, I am him.
Well, Mr. Burnwood, you do influence New York. but compared to our group, you don't pale in comparison. Please.
But perhaps I'm not as influential. But you know who she is? Or are you visually impaired? This is Isabella.
She is not on the list.
We don't care.
Mind your manners. She is from the Moore family.
The Moores, huh? The wealthiest and most prominent family in the U.S.?
That's correct.
You mean her dad is Donald Moore? That's hilarious.
You don't believe it? That's Aaron Blake for me.
Nice try. At least you've done your homework.
Mr. Kingsley, welcome.
Miss Moore, Mr. Verwood, why don't you get in?
Because talking big doesn't work. Here's my invitation. No need, Mr. Kingsley. Aaron mentioned you as a special guest. We will make sure you are taken care of.
Oh, wait, I remember last time you kicked me out.
You had it coming. Be glad I didn't call the cops on you.
Wait, don't point your finger at Sarah. Apologize.
Miss Moore, Miss Carson.
We're divorced. Feel free.
This little punk. You are nothing without Miss Moore's support. Nothing. You Philistine. You owe everything to Miss Moore. Everything. You betray her trust? You betray her for some street urchin? You should be ashamed of yourself. And don't you dare tell me to apologize to you.
You know what? Mr. Kingsley, calm down.
You two, get out of here right now.
Isabel, are you still with this phony?
Wow, Gucci isn't something you can afford. Did you spend all of Carson's money on your gigolo?
His watch is over $5 million. Who cares about Carson's money?
Are you gonna introduce your boss? Unless he's not.
You're Mr. Jacobs. I'd be J.P. Morgan myself.
See, I told you not to boast too much. They don't know who you are, and it's embarrassing.
It's not my fault. Aaron messed up. How dare you blame Aaron? Aaron is my family's butler. It's my job to blame him if he messes up.
Okay, I'm gonna call Aaron.
Mr. Kingsley, this could get a little messy. How about you go in first?
Will you run with me?
You are.
Ryan!
Stop! You two idiots! The fuck? You trying to get fired? Embarrass your boss?
Mr. Jacobs, you have my most sincere apologies. It is my fault, and I can't keep my staff in check.
So you are the real Ryan Jacobs. You didn't lie to me.
Mr. Jacobs, we finally meet.
Everything I said to you is true. And Aaron, it's not your fault that your staff is being ridiculous. They cannot treat her like that. Sir, forgive me for asking this rather stupid question, but who might this young lady be? This is my wife. Well, it is a pleasure to meet you here, Mrs. Jacobs. Apologize to Mr. and Mrs. Jacobs.
Mr. and Mrs. Jacobs, we apologize.
Are you still angry?
No. Let them go.
Brian, there is a personal matter that you may want to see about. Go in with Wade and I'll meet you inside.
Mr. Jacobs, do you know me?
Look at you. Don't sell yourself short.
Ryan, the guest you called earlier has arrived. She requested that I meet her at the entrance. Miss Moore's coming.
Miss Moore. No wonder the Jacobs are top shelf. The best of the Pantheon. This banquet is spectacular.
Yeah, that's all right. Wow, the Jacobs have some serious clout. This is a big shot. Oh, Carson, I wish you'd host a bash like this with me as the hostess of the banquet.
Meet with the Jacobs yet?
Hey, don't be hard on yourself. You are cooperating with the Jacobs. If anything, you're the star tonight.